Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome to my channel. So I have 4 different colors of braiding hair. I have color 613, 27, 30, and 1B. All of them are from the same brand, the Sensational Rua, and they're all 24 inches and pre-stretched, and I purchased them from my local hair store. Now this is my first time mixing hair, so to get started I took one even section of hair from each different colored pack. And then I just started separating the hair, pulling it apart and putting it back together. I also brushed the hair periodically to take out any tangles and to smoothen it. I actually ended up splitting the hair into 2 even sections and continued separating it that way because I felt like it was too much hair in my hands. So when separating and mixing the hair, you can do smaller sections at a time. And this is how much hair I wasted and brushed out, mixing just that one section. When I was done mixing all of the different packs of braiding hair, this is how the mixture turned out, and it's all the hair I had left. I think the color looks good and is pretty evenly mixed throughout. The hair is also significantly longer than it was before. And to braid my hair, I used Shine and Jam on my roots and this curl and hold custard throughout my hair. So first I applied the Shine and Jam and then the curl and hold custard. Next I grabbed the small piece of braiding hair that I'll be using and I split that piece into 2 even sections. Then I overlapped and connected them. After that, I adjusted the hair into 3 pieces so that I could start the braid. I then split my real hair into 2 sections and connected the braiding hair to form a knot. I braid my hair very tightly, but not too tight at the start of the braid so that the knot doesn't become too loose and the braid will stay in place. Then I just braid as normal all the way down to the end of the braiding hair. So this is how my braids turned out. I think they're really cute. I dipped the hair in hot water and applied this Shea Moisture Fly Away and Wrap Mousse. I don't think mousse really does anything, and I normally don't use it, but I wanted to give it a try. Anyway, the ends of the hair were really soft after I dipped them, and I also trimmed them straight across like a blunt cut. I also really like how no one braid is the exact same color or mixture as another. It makes the braids look really interesting and pretty. And I got a lot of compliments on the style as well. Now these braids took me like 19 hours to complete, which is technically one day. And I did my hair in one sitting, but I did take a few breaks. I started at 9 a.m. and finished around 4 a.m. the next morning. I can't believe I did that. I have no idea why I wasn't tired. I guess I was just determined to finish. But I also like how my parts came out. They're pretty neat and consistent. Oh, and I almost ran out of hair. So 6 or 7 of my braids that are on the top of my head are thinner than the rest of the braids. You can't really tell, but I can tell. So I would just suggest getting an extra pack of hair just to be safe. But I did waste a lot of the braiding hair when I was brushing the hair out. So let me know what you guys thought of my hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.